Woman killed and sister escape injury in Clarendon robbery. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A woman was shot and succumbed to her injuries, and her sister narrowly escaped injuries during a robbery in Comfort District, Clarendon on Sunday morning. The deceased woman has so far been identified as 43-year-old Marie Simit Martin, otherwise called Browning, a vendor from Sandy Bay in the parish. It is reported that at around 10:15 a.m., the two women were traveling in the community of Comfort selling goods from a grey Nissan AD wagon when they were approached by a male who requested to purchase a pair of slippers. While the females were in the process of assisting him, another male armed with a handgun pounced upon the women from bushes and ordered them to hand over their valuables and money. The sisters cooperated and reportedly gave the man their cell phone and an undetermined sum of cash. Subsequent to robbing them, the gunman then ordered the victims into bushes, which they refused. The now deceased woman, the police said, in a bid to defend herself, attempted to reach for a machete in her vehicle but was shot by her attacker. The other sister then ran into nearby bushes and escaped without injuries. The vehicle was driven away by the culprit but later collided some distance away and was abandoned. It was later seized by the police. The police have since commenced an investigation. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.